Say hello to the hedgehog agave, officially Agave stricta, and unofficially, the cutest little cactus-looking thing that's not a cactus. It grows in perfect 10 to 12-inch rosettes of narrow, pale green, spine-tipped leaves, soft-ish to the touch, but don't poke your eye out. Over time, it forms dense colonies of tiny rosettes that look like a spiky, succulent puffball. Every so often, one sends up a tall, sometimes crooked bloom stalk, dies, and gets replaced by the squad. Loves full to part sun, but in hot deserts, give it afternoon shade and don't overwater. It's hardy to at least 20 degrees Fahrenheit and thrives in rock gardens, containers, or slopes. Rare, adorable, and a little mysterious, there's even debate over its true name. Get your hands on Agave stricta at Richard's Garden Center in North Phoenix, or call us at 623-434-6922. Let's grow something amazing.